In this video, we're gonna take a look at TRADOVATE and TradingView to see which one is better for you. So I have here the pros and cons for each one of them. We're gonna start with TRADOVATE. So as you can see, it's best for futures traders needing low fees and direct execution. Some pros: commission-free options, built-in order execution, depth of market, and mobile web access. Some cons: limited charting tools versus TradingView, platform stability complaints, lags, crashes. Then we have TradingView, which is best for charting, analysis, and multi-asset strategy building. The pros: best-in-class charts with Pine script automation, support stocks, crypto, FX, futures, broad data access. The cons: limited built-in order execution and not ideal for full-time futures execution. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.